Here at the White House, we are very proud and happy to announce that we have just won the third Indiana U Colt combat pistol matches at Indiana University. This competition was against 79 of the best teams throughout the United States. Far west is California, Canada, down in Georgia, New York State crack team, pistol team from New York State. We're all in competition, some 400 shooters. This is the second year running that we have won this competition at Indiana University. We bettered our mark from last year of 396.8. This breaks our record and establishes a new record for combat shooting of 397.6, which meant that 3 of our shooters shot a perfect score and the other shooter shot a 97.6. I think the remarkable thing about this is that we are a small outfit of some 160 men. We shoot against competition of much larger teams, not only in combat shooting but in bullseye. We shoot against New York City and several of the other, most all of the other large departments in the United States. We are not primarily a competitive team. This fits right in with our training here at the White House. This combat shooting is the type of shooting that an officer might be engaged in if he ever has to actually use his gun in combat. It fits right in with our protection of the President and the First Lady or the official family here at the White House. Now, to see some of the actual combat positions and shooting, I will turn you over to Corporal William Crawford.
This is what we will do. We will fire at 7 yards, 10 rounds within a time limit of 25 seconds, exactly as we did it in the combat shoot at the University of Indiana last week in winning the Colt Indiana trophy.
Ready on the right, ready on the left, ready on the firing line. Ready on the right, ready on the left, ready on the firing line.
Right ahead.
years ago, two fanatical men tried to assassinate President Harry Truman at Blair House in Washington, D.C. One of them was shot dead on the steps, the other critically wounded. And it hardly interrupted the president's nap. One of the reasons that there has never been a successful assassination attempt at the White House is probably due to these men, members of the White House police. This White House police pistol team also trains the Secret Service in the art of firearms, and these scores are visible proof of their credentials to do so. They and over 200 other law enforcement officers are here at the National Target Ranges in Lincoln Park, New Jersey, taking part in the indoor combat pistol matches sponsored by Law and Order magazine. This man is the captain of the team, Sergeant William Crawford, a veteran of 19 years on the White House Police. His team won these matches last year, and right now he leads in the individual matches with a score of 583 out of a possible 600. Right now, they're shooting what's known as the practical pistol course. Watch and you'll see why.
Commence firing.
These men have 90 seconds to shoot the entire stage of this particular course. 6 rounds in the kneeling position, as you just saw. They're reloading now. And then they shoot another 6 rounds, holding the pistol left-handed at the barricade. To reload 6 rounds once more, and then shoot with the right hand again at the barricade. All of this must be done within 90 seconds.